Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. Got my boy Casey in town and he wants to do exhaust. So I told him to ship the parts to my house and let's do this shit. But here he is. He's gonna do an introduction. What up, boys?
What's up?
So Casey, tell us about your truck a little bit.
So this is a 2015 GMC Denali HD, which is the 2500 with the 6.0. And it's got some real shit exhaust that's rusted out. We're gonna replace this sumbitch.
And look at this. I think we just got tips right now or something. Yep, just some tips. Screw it, bro. You want to do the startup just to do a before?
Let's see what it sounds like.
Here's the before one, guys, and then we'll show you the new setup we're going to install. And then, of course, we'll show you the sound of that also. Cold start. Don't sound that bad.
Stock 6.0.
Stock 6.0. Hell yeah. Cool. Not too bad. Yeah, it's gonna sound better than this bullshit, I think. Alright, cool. Thanks, dude. And then this is what he went with. It's still Flowmaster. I think it's called American Thunder.
Catbacks.
And it's just a straight catback. And yeah. He said it's rusty as fuck, so let's look. Oh yeah. Pretty rusty. But we're gonna take it all out from here. Damn, bro, one of your mufflers is busted.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's pretty rusted up in here. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and start removing it. Probably time lapse a lot of this stuff. And start installing the new exhaust.
Pop that top piece
okay,
off.
right here. This right here pushes it out. This one's actually going loose.
We didn't even need the tool.
We don't need a tool for
one.
this, boys. Here, watch out, it's gonna fucking fall.
I got it.
Alright,
I got a good hold.
try the next one. I think here, this is how you use it, they're like this.
Use it, push it out.
Oh yeah, sweet. Well, if it was hard, shit. It was all easy, Chester. It just popped right out.
That one did at least.
Cool. Oh, that's how you use the tool, boys.
Alright. Here, try it on this one. Maybe you can get a good, better
Get some
video.
action, because that was a little messed up. Gotta get this sucker in. Oh, there it goes. Oh, sweet.
Oh, that's easy.
Is it better with the tool?
Hell yeah, that works well.
Now it's stuck in there. Sweet.
Get this old rusty sumbitch out of here.
Alright.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's like,
That's fucking awesome.
yeah, that's good, huh?
Yeah.
That made it real easy. There too.
Where do you want to move it? Just out?
Just out of the way.
Oh yeah, I can get this exhaust out. Oh yeah, look at Casey over there. Fucking bossing it. Nah, he's gonna need some help.
Yeah, I might need someone on the back end.
Fucking pussy. Can't get it on you.
I can get it by myself. Shit.
Which way you wanna go? Is it easier to come your way?
I figure it might be easier than trying to get this big ass thing. Well, there's one piece of that rusted. We might be able to go that way now that this rusted.
Yeah, let's go my way.
I think now that this rusted POS is off of there.
Go all the way around.
You got a cutter?
I do. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go, pussy.
It was like cutting it like butter for a second. It was like, hey, you need somebody to hold that area in, dude, whenever almost. You might have to back it up a little bit.
No, it's good.
cool.
And the rest.
Break that son of a bitch.
Gotta get everything we need around here now, boys.
Yeah.
Woo!
Fucking
That's how Casey
pussies.
does it. He has to work. Watch out. Watch out, Jason. About to drop that. Alright, guys, we got the old exhaust out. That's what kind of piece it looks like. All rusted up. It was fun. Casey had a good time. And now we're going to take a beer break, boys and girls. Alright, so we do. Hey, if you need help with your car and exhaust system or anything, this is what we do. Woo-woo. So basically it's like a tradition where once you pull your exhaust off, you gotta start it up before you install the new one. Cool? Let's do it. Oh yeah! Got that chopped exhaust, boys. Beat your exhaust. 101. Cool, now we just got everything ran loosely. We gotta go through there and tighten it all up. See how it comes out, guys. Definitely wasn't that bad. There's all the old stuff. Oh yeah, still beer drinking, it's part of it. Alright, now we're just lining the tips.
Yeah, line it.
Alright, cool. We finally got it all installed. He's gonna do a cold start. Start it up, what? Whoop, whoop. Do an auto start or whatever. Clicker, clicker. We didn't have to get in there, right? Yeah. I like it, what? Oh, we can press on it.
Let's go check her out.
Sounds good.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. It's all burning. Alright, cool. Yeah, what you think? Like the sound? That's nice.
It's pretty good, right?
No more exhaust leaks, hopefully.
No more exhaust leaks. They even had it where you could do some side exits also, but we didn't want to do that. Well guys, I guess we're done. Hanging out with the boys, drinking beer, doing exhaust systems.
I think we need one more beer break.
One more beer break, one more shotgun to lead it off. What?
Yeah, now that
Fucking do
Mitchie's
it.
here.
Yeah, we got Mitch here.
If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do it. This is the Cody Project.
Hit subscribe, bitches.
Whoop, whoop.
Like it, hell.
Like it, share it, do what you do. Later.